Got him on the rat rod. Here we go, folks. Fish on, fish on. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing on this fantastic, what is this, Wednesday? How's everybody doing? Hey, I'm out here on the Mississippi River. I have got my 12-foot Thundercat rod out, which is called the rat rod. Then I have one of the twins out, one of the Gold Rush twins. I'm going to be putting live bluegill on the 12-footer, and then I'm going to put cut skipjack on that Gold Rush rod, that Mad Catch rod. So we're going to see what we can get, because there's a good little eddy right here. There's a granny right down there, and more likely we'll probably get hung up a lot, but hey, that's fishing on the Mississippi River. You get hung up a lot. So with that said, we're going to be trying to get this done. Stay tuned. Got a fish on. Just throw this out there. I just throw that bluegill out there. And I was trying to bait the other rod up, and bam, he hit this bad boy. Feel like a pretty good fish. He ain't moving, so I hope it's a flathead. Oh, he's pulling drag. Oh, I'm hoping this is my PB. I hope this is a PB. Got him on the rat rod. Here we go, folks. Fish on, fish on. Oh, he got hung up. He's on there. See, I think he went up into that preventment. He came out. Look at that big old rat rod, boy. We'll give him some slack. He's coming up into a lot of preventment here. He's going up in them holes in preventment. He's on there. We just have to give him some time. He's big, whatever it is. There he goes. He came out that time. Oh, he's a giant flathead. Oh my God, it's a huge. Oh, it's a giant flathead. Oh my God, it's a huge flathead. Oh, it's a big flathead. Got him. Oh, it's a giant. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Look at that flathead, baby.